Hi students, welcome to 3rd standard science class video session, lesson 3, birds. How do we call the living place of birds? Yes, it's called as nest. In today's session, we are going to learn about nest of different birds like sparrow, pigeon, parrot, woodpecker, eagle, weaver bird and tailored bird. How the nest it is useful to the birds? Nest is a spot where the bird it lays its eggs and incubates the egg and producing the young one. Let us go into the session. Today we are going to learn about nest of birds. Let us go into the topic nest of birds. Where do the birds live? Birds live in nest. So birds build their nest to lay eggs and protect their chicks from any danger. They build their nest on branches of trees, holes in trees, old buildings, and crack in the wall. They use leaves, sticks, grasses, pieces of cloth, and cotton to build their nest. A bird nest is a spot in which a bird lays and incubates its eggs and raises its young one. Let us study about the nest built by few birds. Birds such as sparrow and pigeon build their nest using stick, pieces of cloth and grasses on the trees and even inside our homes. Birds such as parrot and woodpecker live inside tree trunks by making holes in the trees using their strong beaks. So, children, different birds make their nest using different material. Some gather sticks, grass and leaves, while others use tree branches, mud, stones or even their own saliva. Many nests are made of any materials the bird can find. What does a bird nest symbolize? It represents life, growth, health, family stability and beauty. Do you know, children, how long does a bird take to build a nest? It takes 3 to 4 days up to 2 weeks. Only the female bird builds the nest. Eagle builds its nest with twigs and sticks at heights on a tree. An eagle has the biggest nest among all the birds. Next we are going to learn about weaver bird nest. Weaver bird is known for its nest. It makes a beautiful nest. Weaver bird uses grass and leaves to weave a nest around the branches of trees. Next we are going to learn about tailored bird nest. Tailored bird is a small bird. It gets its name from the way it builds the nest. The bird sweeps the ends of a leaf with plant fiber and builds a nest inside it. Do you know, children, cuckoo is the only bird that does not make its own nest. It mostly lays its egg in the crow nest. Let us know some more additional information about eagle. What is eagle famous for? Like all birds of prey, eagles have very large hooked beaks for ripening flesh from their prey, strong muscular legs and powerful talons. The beak is typically heavier than that of most other birds of prey. Children, do you know why do eagles fly alone? Eagle has the sharpest vision of all birds. When its eyesight grows dull with age, it glides up towards the sun, and by staring the sun, which only it can do, it burns away all the mistiness of age. Eagles fly high alone at great altitude and not with any other smaller birds. Children, let us know some more additional information about weaver bird. Where do weaver birds live? The vast majority of weaver species live in Africa, though yes, few species also live in Asia. How weaver bird makes its nest. Weaver birds use a variety of plant material to build their nest, including strips of grass, leaves, twigs, and roots. A weaver bird has a strong conical beak which it uses to cut blades of grass that it will use in nest building. By tying knots, the bird makes the nest more secure. Now let us learn some more additional information about tailor bird. Tailor birds have short rounded wings, short tails, strong legs, and long curved bills. Tailor birds get their name from the way their nest is constructed. The edges of a large leaf are pierced and sewn together with a plant fiber or spider's web to make a cradle in which the actual grass nest is built. So children, now let us know, is weaver bird same as tailor bird? The weaver bird uses dry twigs, grass, fine pieces of straw to make a very big and strong nest by pulling the grass in and out. The tailor bird makes their nest with long leaves. They stitch two large leaves together with bit of thread, straw, and dry twigs. I hope you all got clear information about nest of birds. Thank you, students. Have a nice day.